This is Branded in Detroit, where we tell stories behind the brands that built the Motor City and still keeps it running strong today. You can't visit Detroit without indulging into a bag of Better Made chips. I'm Rashawn, and today on Branded in Detroit, we're going to dive into the delicious history of Better Made snacks located just 7 miles from downtown Detroit. So I'm here with Phil Guzmano. Phil, how are you?
I'm doing really good. And yourself?
I'm good. Thank you for having us.
It's my pleasure.
So tell us, what's your role here at Better Made?
So I am the Vice President of Purchasing. I have been here for 28 years and I've done just about every job you can do in the place.
So can you walk us through some of the history?
It was started in 1930 by 2 cousins. We never decided to move out. We're always here. We're proud in the city. A lot of our employees actually live within the city boundary. We couldn't be happier to have the people working for us that we do.
What's the process like from when you first get the potato to when they arrive to the stores?
So the potatoes come in, on tractor trailers from around the state. Most of our potatoes do come from Michigan. What we do is we take the potatoes, we unload them, we dump them out onto a conveyor. They go on that conveyor into holding bin. Those holding bins, each holding bin will hold about 1 truckload, and we'll use 5 to 6 truckloads a day. So that's anywhere from 250,000 to 300,000 pounds of potatoes a day.
That's crazy.
From there, those potatoes, we wash them. They go up into a destoner. They go up into the peeler. Inside the peeler, there's these huge rolls that have aggregate that's stuck to different tubes, and as the tubes are spinning, it helps to chew off the peel. Once they're peeled, they get a quality inspection. Anything that doesn't look like it meets standard gets thrown out. And then from that point, it goes into the slicer. Once they're sliced, they get washed, rinsed, and into the fryer. In the fryer, there's paddles that move the chips along and cook them to the nice golden brown that you like. And as they're coming out, they get salted. From that point, they go to our distribution system, and in the distribution system, they go to different machines. Each machine is called a vertical form, fill, and seal machine. And that machine takes the roll stock, which is just basically a fancy word for the bag, turns it into a bag. The machine then fills it with the right number of chips to make weight, seals it shut, and then packages it into the case.
Wow. I'm sure you can probably do this in your sleep. You've been here almost 30 years.
Yes, I have.
So I know you have tons of flavors. What's your favorite flavor?
So I guess if I'm going to be choosing one of them, I'm going to go with our original barbecue.
Original barbecue. I love the original barbecue, but when you guys introduced the hot barbecue, that took the cake for me.
There you go. But
it's not just the process that makes the chips better. It's the people who make the business truly stand out. So growing up, did you ever think that you would work here at Better Made?
I didn't think I would. It was kind of a dream come true. There was, Better Made is such an icon in Detroit, and people love Better Made. Everybody has a story. We have people who grew up here. They, grew up right around the corner, and they have such fond memories of hearing the machinery or smelling the chips and coming along Gratiot and looking in the windows. And we love to hear everybody's memories.
That's literally my story. I remember when I was younger and I would catch the bus with my brother and I. We would catch the bus down, towards downtown. And every day I would see the Better Made sign, and it just made me so excited because it's local. It's Detroit.
Yeah.
If a visitor have never come to Detroit or Better Made, what can they expect in their first bite?
It's light, it's crispy, it's the perfect texture, and loaded with flavor.
Light, crispy, loaded with flavor. I love that. How can someone actually get their hands on Better Made if they're not here in Detroit or in Michigan?
We ship everywhere in the U.S. and we are all over Michigan in your favorite convenience store, grocery store. You can come visit us here at the Better Made factory.
Whether you're on the east side or west side, the east coast or west coast, Better Made brings people together. I'm Rashawn Wilder, and this is Branded in Detroit. Catch you when you visit Detroit.